Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, you know why? The last 2 days I streamed straight through, and I need just a little. Sean, you'll feel this. So sitting in the chair all day long, I feel gross. Um, and I did it 2 days in a row, so I need to take like an hour to just get up, make myself some food. I'm gonna go for a 20-minute walk, like maybe some push-ups, some sit-ups, just like I got to move around. I can't sit all day. So, what up, Ray? What up, Ali? Morning, Igor. What up, Gold? Maybe Igor. Yeah. So it was Friday. I just figured, why not? You know what I mean? I'll probably come back at like 1:15, 1:30. I just need I just need to get up and move. 20-minute walk. Like, I don't want to leave the stream on big. Yo, guys, I'll be back in 20 minutes. I'm going for a walk on my block. So, also, I think I'm getting a dumpster delivered today during the day. So, I just figured I would come on early. You could still be on the other thing, though. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about. Oh. So I hit this last night in my funded account. These are my two funded accounts. This one's over the buffer now. Good morning, Magic. Good morning. Good morning. It's hard to sit around. Dude, that sucks, Richard. But hopefully you're feeling better. I don't think they're releasing anything because people aren't working. The government is shut down, and anything that's done by the government. The only reason they released CPI was the majority of it was done already prior to the shutdown. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, I'd like to get some payouts today. I'm right. I can get paid. This account I can do up to 2,000, so I can get paid today. Did this not become a pro account last night? Let's see what happens. Let me see. What? Can I not make that a pro account? I'm just looking. I passed it. Do I just got to flip micros now? Dude, I don't even fucking see it on here. Oh, here it is. Oh, I only have 3 trading days done. Ah. All right. So this is what happens for all you guys that are wondering. So I pass this account. You go to micros. You go to 1. Make sure this shit's off. All right. My trading day is done. What up, Scotsman? Well, you can get it. China. So this day is done. It looks like I'm not going to get the pro account until Tuesday. That sucks. Yo, everybody have fun at poker last night? Bro, poker was fun. China #1. Yo, I'm waiting for Apex to freaking. Dude, they still haven't approved my fucking payout. Yo, how did they not approve my fucking payout? Yeah, I thought poker was great. All right, let me see where my payouts are. Bro, it still says pending. The fuck? What's a smexy pop? What is smexy? Scotsman? I'm just looking at the higher time frames to see where we're going. This is previous quarter high. Do we sweep down at 25,000? They said this is the worst week in the market since April. April, we had the big Trump dump. Man, I'll be honest with you. You guys probably don't even know because you weren't trading back then, but like the market used to just go up. Like look how crazy the market is now, right? Yo, before COVID, this is what the market looked like. This is what the market looked like. You know, just grinding. Very like, you know, nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Like this is months on end of just kind of like silver, dude. The VIX was under. It's just crazy now on how. It's crazy how much we move then. You had a ton of slow grinds. I remember if the market was like up or down, like 0.3%, like a day, like 0.2%. Like it was just slow little moves. Now it's crazy. Bro, I mean, I don't know about that. I'm just looking. I'm setting up my copy trader. Setting up the old copy trader. So I gotta, yo, what up, Code? I gotta set up 2 copy traders right now because Quant Tower has been delayed with its rhythmic feed in the morning, if you didn't know. So I gotta set up a Quant Tower only one. And if I see it goes delayed when the market opens, I'm gonna have to trade on one of these for a morning rip. This is going to be stressful as shit. All right. I got to set up mine still. Maybe I'll do that during lunch today if you're around. So I've been having trouble with Quant Tower right out the gate. So we're going to play around. Damn, they just moved this 50 points in like 8 minutes. Straight send it. Boom, 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 boom. It looks dumpy. Hopefully I can return back to Canada next week. Wait, which country? Tanzania is shut down, Ali? What? That's wild. The airport was taken down? Dude, that's crazy. Bro, that's so wild. Ah. All right, I got to figure this out. So I got to turn on my trade syncer. Bro, I'm going to run trade syncer to a Fidias account. Oh, this is going to get fucking crazy here. Oh. So copy trading, I got to set it up. Boom. No more revenge trading? So if I do this, I guess I should just do it in my elite account. To what? Where is my fucking... Shit's a pain in the ass. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be playing the open, but I don't know what screen I'm going to play it on because what happens is there's a red thing that comes up here that says that it's delayed when it's delayed. So if I'm getting delayed data on Quant Tower, I'm going to do it on this screen and I'll be ready for it. But it all depends on if my shit's delayed on Quant Tower. Just so you know, by the time you guys see it, it's over. So don't fucking, I wouldn't be following anything. Just an FYI. Anybody that's looking. And it's discretionary. It's not like I'm like, oh my God, this is it. This is it. The break, it's just kind of discretionary. So there's not a set thing. It's just going to be what it is. Yeah, I think this is going to end up getting. This thing looks like it's going to end up going down to 25,000. Can I play it in any of these accounts? Oh, here you go. I got an eval. Oh, his eval's down already. I don't remember playing that. I need $100 in each one of these accounts, and I could take a payout. These three are fundeds. Just seeing if I have an account that I can just kind of take it to the downside. Like one I don't typically care about, I guess. I just realized I have 5 funded accounts with my funded futures. Interesting. All right, so my copy trader's set up. It's with Elite. Let me get off of this fucking account. This is going to be my lead. All right, now we can just fucking chill out for a little bit. Book my dumpster rental. Yeah, I booked my dumpster rental. I'm all set. All right, now we can chill out. Roop, how do you do giveaways? People win, and then I give them the account, Roop. Trashy Trader. The office behind me is an AI screen. You want to see what my office really looks like? This is what my office really looks like. So this is my true office, and that's why I leave the yeah, Scotsman. This is why I leave the AI screen up. You don't want to be. Do you want to be looking at this or my AI screen? What up, Adil? It will open up while I'm on the stream. I have to open it. I have to set it up like it'll open up when the stream's going on. All you got to do is be on. Super easy. It's like the easiest thing ever. I took a short here, by the way. I'm stopping out at like 106. I found one account that I can just get into. But I took a short in a My Funded Futures funded account that I have. I try not to have all the shit on this computer, especially when we open up. What up, TJ? So I don't want any issues with my order entry when the market opens. What? What are you talking about, Zaybak? This is behind me. I'm in this office. I don't even know what that is. I've never even seen that. What is that? Who won poker last night? Dude, who won poker last night? Waldo came in second. Who came in? Let me see. I came in fourth. You know, Yosef. Yosef. I came in. I came in fourth. You know what's crazy is there was a hand a little earlier on that I should have went in with, and I didn't, and I would have flopped the straight, and I would have won a lot of fucking chips because I saw how it played out. And that was like the turning point for me. I would have won like another 5,000 chips, and then it would have put me where I didn't have to go all in at one point towards the end. I probably would have came in top 3. All right. So that's the deal I'm all set up for. I'm set up for the open. Yo, what up, Yosef? Yo, I got shit cards for almost the first 2 rounds. But I was able to, right before the second round ended, I was able to slam and get a good amount. And then I doubled up on somebody again. I was leading early on. I got to 7,500 chips while like everybody else was at like 3,000. But I just didn't get much after that. I'm early. What up, Mike? I'm early because I'm not going to stream through today. I'm going to stop at noon so I could not sit here all day. I need to go for a walk midday, just stretch my legs out. Yeah, when crypto starts doing shit is usually might not be a bad idea to start looking at crypto for a bounce. Bro, Flip went, dude, he went much longer than I thought he would. But yeah, he was he had like no chips and just kept going. And then he got up to like, he went from like 220 chips or 260 chips almost up to like 1,600. He was like 1 double up or 2 double ups away from like just being in a driver's seat. Yo, last night's poker was fun, man. It was a good turnout. Let me see how many people showed up. Yo, it's 46 people registered. Yo, I feel bad for Gary. Gary was leading early with me, and Gary had to leave. You're working early? It's all good, AD. Here we go. For the early crew. For the early crew. I want to get some payouts. Dude, hold on one second. I didn't set it up correctly. Hold on one second. Hold on. I didn't set it up correctly. There you go. My bad. You got to do it again. My bad. I had to redo it. It fucked up. Man, this is going to either be a great bounce point or we're going to see 25,000 very shortly. Yo, Yosef! Yeah, I didn't know you weren't a subscriber. Well, welcome. Welcome to be official Cove Trader subscriber today. Cool, man. Poker tournament winner over there. Where are you from, Yosef? You in the States? You over the pond? Where are you at? I have an educated guess. At least, oh, you're in Morocco? Dude, how is Morocco, man? Obviously, you live there. You're probably going to say it's awesome. But, dude. I'm going to have to... What? Dude, the buildings look really cool. Yo, what's some Moroccan food? I feel like I made Moroccan food in a crock pot with lentils. It was fucking awesome. I did like Moroccan lentil something or other. Oh, you cooking like those pots like they do in India, right? Clay pots. Bro, Moroccan street food looks amazing, by the way. Mongolian beef. Just is looking, it looks real good. Looks very like soupy though. Lot of soupy dishes. Yo, yo, I finally got my fucking mouse. I got my mouse batteries. I need to add batteries into this thing. I think they're double A's. Hold on 1 second. My mouse keeps double clicking. Yo, I bought batteries, and of course, I buy them for me, and the fucking batteries are being like somebody's already ran through all my freaking batteries. I got this laser mouse. Dude, it was like every time I would click, it would double click, or it would like I would drag the order, it would let go of the order. I'm not gonna miss it. Yo, you're blaming the early stream? Dude, you're putting bad juju out there. I think we're gonna have an awesome drop and back up within the first 30 minutes. Yo, Apex extended their shit. Dump it. Dump it. Done, dude, done for the day already is nice. Cove, we going with the beard look? Why? Do you want me to grow a beard? How many points for the entry? 1. I think you're in already, Yosef. Once you're in, you're in. I'm pretty sure you're in already. I'm pretty sure I saw it. It's not going to tell you if you're in. So, like, if you do it again, here, I'll just, because you're new, I'll look. But I'm pretty sure you are in. I'm bringing it up. Dude, you're in already. You're the second person to join. It was Sean and then you. You're in. Here, I'll even give you the you're in. Yeah, I'd probably 90% off 85 activation fee. It all depends on how many it takes for you to pass. So the difference between 85 and 40 is $45, right? Yeah, I would rather 90 with 85. Dude, I don't have it up. Just scroll up and see. I don't have it up anymore. I had to log in. If you put the code in, you're in. It's all automated. If you put the code in, you're in. Dude, they're just going to unload this thing. I hate trading at this point. I fucking hate trading right now. Shit. Yo, Sean, if this doesn't hit in the morning, it's because you put bad juju on it. Just dump it at least 20 points. Come on. Come to Butthead. Come on. Come down. I'm actually going to take it off right here. I took it off. I had to take it off. Bro. Oh, man. I'm set up here. I can't do that. Anybody taking the boo-boo short? If I see the redness on my quant, I will swap over to right here and play. What up, Beak? Hey! Yo, 9:25, they have an algo candle every 9:25. Do you guys realize that? This one was like 9:25 algo candle. Yo, I'm so glad I got out. What up, Lim? What up? Wrecked your stop loss? Yeah, I got out. I was up 120 bucks and I funded. I just take my money and wait. Man, I hope this shit doesn't get delayed. Yo, what up, Alfred? Man, I got out at the bottom. I got out like right here. It's a large bounce. Look at that bounce. Look at my quant. Bro, my quant tower, I am praying, does not get delayed. Two minutes. Palms are starting to sweat, boys. Which way you like it better, Sean? To the upside or the down? I feel like the upside for me. I would like us to pop and then dump, and then we take it back. My bias is that we're probably going to hit 25,000 and then bounce. I think it's going to be up out the gate. All right. I'm going to do it on one of these screens. I don't know. I'm just hoping that I'm not fucking delayed on my. I hope I'm not delayed on my quant tower. Otherwise, I got to trade on this. So we'll see what happens. It's not delayed yet, but when it first fucking opens is when quant tower rhythmic says I'm delayed. Yo, I hit rhythmic still it's still delayed. I can't do I got to do it on this going forward, by the way. But you guys asked me. I told you. I just did it in front of you. Everyone's asked me, yo, how do you trade the open? I just traded the open for you. Quick $300. Boing, 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 boing. It's about to go. I think it's going to go make its way all the way down to 23. Not 23. I think it's going to make its way all the way down to 25,000 right here. Brace yourself for 25,000. Dude. I could get more money in this. So right now I could take out, I think it's 197 bucks. I'm going to go for a little bit more today and see. I'm going to see if I can get this like 500 bucks and take out a $500 payout. Dude, this is going to go down. I'm just trying to figure out. I'm trying to get a good entry. See what happens. Oh, come on. Get below 43. Get below 43 and receive 25,000. They're going to algo candle this, by the way. It gets below 43. They'll fucking algo candle this. There we go. Now I can't lose. That's a payout, by the way. I'm going to take that $400 and something payout. Keep going. Yo, I'm riding this fucking down. Keep going. Keep going, motherfucker! Keep going! Keep going, keep going, keep going. Holy shit. Told you 25,000. Told you 25,000. Told you 25,000. Keep going. Told you. Holy fuck, man. That was awesome. Holy shit. My bad if I'm not reading the chat, but I'm talking out loud. This is where I make a lot of my money, guys. So if I'm not like chat, it's because I'm just talking it out loud and you can just listen. And if you got questions when I'm done, I'll fucking go over everything with you. Yeah. So there's my Apex. I just hit. Those are all funded accounts. 300, 300, 300, 300, 250, 250, 100. Oh, man. I locked in a payout. Shit. All right. I mean, I didn't think it was going to dump that fucking far, but all right. I'm just getting my other. I'm just telling you right now, I'm getting ready to take this to the upside. I'm just trying to find my fucking screen. All right, I'm getting ready to take this to the up. Wait. Why is my fucking shit not on? I just got a feeler. I'm not fully. I'm not fully committed on that. I want to see this. So you want to see this candle now push and close over these? Just watch out. This is the 9. Just watch out. Watch your freaking. Yo, what up, Wave High? What up? Yo, what up, guys? What up, John? Yo, what up, Scotsman? Boom. Yo, I don't mean to be silent. I know the stream's a little weird in the morning. It's because I'm doing fucking surgery right now. This is where I make my bank. I just locked in 2 payouts, and I'm going to swap to this eval, and I just want to see us close. Man, this is kind of getting fucking sloppy. I just took this in an eval. I'm not taking this in a funded, by the way. It's too risky. Too risky for a funded account. Just an FYI. I want to hold the 9. Oh, dude, did that just not take me out by like fucking a point? I didn't get taken out of half my position by a point. That's fucking some bullshit. If we can't get back over 25,000, this is going to be a freaking short and a half. Just an FYI. This starts coming down. This is going to be a monster fucking short. Like they put in this big candle all the way down to 46. I think you get over 25,000. You get over 25,000, this rips. I wouldn't do this in a funded account. I'm just, hey, if it goes over, great. But if it dumps out here, if it dumps, this is the fucking top. If it blows through, you're going way the fuck up. Yeah, see? Probably new lows here. It's okay. That's why I don't play that in a funded account. You got to know when to separate. Yo, morning. News in 15 minutes. Nah, I'm gonna take a shot that we're not done here. Either way, I just locked in 220. So yo, Scotsman. I don't know. This is, it's a weird. This is a weird. This isn't like a setup. I'm like, oh my god. You got to think. You just made a lot of money, right? So just fucking chill out. If you didn't, dude, I wish I held this shit. Man, I wish I just followed this down. This payout would have been like, instead of a couple $100, would have been a lot more. I normally wouldn't take a payout that's like $400, but the fact is this one's right at the buffer also. So I can run this one up and this one will pay for, more evals or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like if I only had one account, I probably wouldn't do it. But the fact that I have multiple, I'm probably going to do it. If you get what I'm saying. What up, John? Dude, I think this is just going to freaking dump down. Like all seriousness, I'm not saying I would do it now, but if we dump further down today, I would start my morning. I would start looking at some things that I wanted to own if we started getting into like the 24,500 range. Yeah, I'm talking stock wise. Oh, today's Friday, right? I didn't even realize that. Yo, back over we're back over. NVIDIA's got earnings, what, the 19th? That's going to be market moving. What up, Chris? Good morning, Marie. If I didn't say good morning already. It just doesn't feel done. We going to get back over? Dude, every time it just wicks it and just comes back down. Watch this be just. I only took one contract. Well, I just added. I think if it lets go, under here, under the 9, they'll drop it. Just, I wouldn't do this in a funded account. Just an FYI. You banked on that dump? I like it. 5 LUs, 10 LUs. What are we looking at? Oh, it's starting to go here. No, I got stopped. $13. Dude, this is crazy. The market just died. Dude, it just died. Hit a pivot and reversed. Come on. I mean, it definitely moved all the way back up. This is just sloppy, not what I'm looking for. I will say though, if it holds 25,000, it could just bounce. News in less than a minute. I am not in a position right now. But I'm not even going to play it. I'm not going to play it. I'll just fucking sit here. Let's see what happens. What was the news? What did you say? PMI? Damn, they just dumped this thing. Oh, yeah, yeah. Man, I'm just watching. I'm not fucking. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for this shit to just kind of get constructive, I guess. It's probably a good term. I need some some constructiveness. Man, come on. It's gonna drop. It's kind of in the middle of the range. What are micros and minis? Micros are 1/10 of a mini. It's just a contract. It's just a contract size, like the sizing. You're getting in micros or minis, different contracts. Same thing, just different size. Yeah, 1 mini equals 10 micros. Every 10 points in a mini on the NQ is $200. Oh. Oh. I want to see this come below this blue line and then back up. Below and then back up. That to me would be a good play. All right, so we got the below. Come on. Watching. They're going to push this. They're going to push this at least to 14, I think. Are they going to get it inside? There you go. You just hit it. But are they going to get it back inside the orb is the question. They just did. That was fucking crazy move. Now watch this. You want to see it bounce right here? and then get above. Come on, push it. Push it with some fucking steam, man. Come on, show me what you're working with. Boom. Yo. Hopefully everybody did good this morning. Was that not another good fucking play? Good job, guys. Just giving everybody a nice clap. I played that in my Wealth Charts account. I am $400 away from a payout. I'm done with Wealth Charts for today. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? Bro. I wish I held. Good morning, Waldo. Jeez. I mean, I made $200 in a bunch of accounts. Like, I played this move right here, this candle, in like 7 accounts, but I wish I played in more. Shit. Watch this thing go all the way to 106. See, but now you're in the middle of the range. Like, you don't want to be getting in here. If anything, you're trailing your stops up, right? Yo, anybody got questions? Like, you seen... I mean... In my funded accounts, I didn't take a losing trade in funding accounts today. The only account I took a loss in is this eval. 190? Oh, setting fucking orders up. Jeez. I think they're going to consolidate it and then possibly push all the way up, all the way back up to 109. I got to hit my alarm. These lives you do, are they considered day trading or swing trading? Sometimes I'll swing trade where I'll just grab in an account and I'll hold for a while, and some are day trading. My alarm has been beeping for the last fucking hour. Well, last half hour. I didn't want to move. I'll be right back. Give me 30 seconds. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Yo, I got a smoke detector. One of my like 18 smoke detectors is fucking bad, so my alarm keeps beeping. Now, anybody got questions? I think we're gonna push up here. See what happens. It would make the most sense for it to come back up to 103. Roop, what's my strategy? I mean, a lot of times like this, we broke the 15-minute orb, and then when we come back through, I take it, playing fair value gap inversions, trend breaks, all shit like that for the most part, you know. I love fair value gap inversions, to be honest with you. Haven't seen a gap I haven't want to fill. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, let me bring this back over here. Vibe check. What up? Dude, so a lot of times I don't stream the open because for the first 45 minutes, my goal is to make as much money as possible. You know, and then things are moving around. You got the opening trade, you got this, you got that. Like, it's hard for me to interact with the chat. So that's why I don't really talk to the chat. I'm just talking out loud while I'm clicking all the fucking buttons. But now we can just chill out a little bit. You know, now the market has slowed up and we can kind of chill out. I need to make $100 in this account. What is a fair value gap? No. It's also known as like single prints, imbalances. Dude, I think this is going to go back up. Yeah, I need to make $100 in this account to request a payout today. Yeah, it's a gap. Here, I'll show you what it is. Here, fair. Yeah, I'll show you an example. Somebody's got to have a really good fucking infographic. This is exactly what I was looking for. See the first and third candle. Your best bet is just to get a script that shows it. Because I'm not looking at each fucking one. Like, get a script on TradingView. Here's all my scripts that I use. These are the three that I use. And then you don't have to pay it. You don't have to look for it. See, look, here's one right here, right at the bottom. Dude, I need to make $100. I'm just trying to think. Bro, that was by mistake. Holy fuck. If you watch the stream, I didn't know how to get rid of that thing I just put. So I just dropped it. And when I dropped it, it accidentally bought and I made $110 to lock in the fucking payout. Bro, that was fucking crazy. Yo, I just locked in the payout by mistake. Yo, I accidentally hit it. All right, so I just locked in one payout. Yo, that's my third payout I locked in today, by the way. I can lock in 4 payouts today. Fuck. I might just be done with this account for the day. See, the thing is, if I trade this account again, I should just wait till tomorrow or Monday. All I need is $100. Yeah, I'm just going to wait. Yeah, I grabbed some long here though in an account. If I can get a better, oh my god. I want to see it hold 25,000 and push back up is what I'm going for. If we can't hold 25,000, this is just going to fucking dump down to 920 again. What up, Maria? Good morning from home. They let you out of jail? It needs to get over this. There's a line right fucking here. See this red line? We pop over this, you're going to see 71 fast. It needs to get over this red line and close, and you're probably going to get to 70. If it doesn't, it's going to get washed out. Yeah. Yeah, I just took a loss on that shit. Completely fucking washed out. We're going to bounce back up, and then we're going to probably go back down. Probably bounce up to like 98-ish, and then come back down. Dump it. Dump it. Just give me the big red candle right here. Right under this candle fucking gives it to me. I should take this. I just took it because now I'm only down $100. You know what I'm saying? If I was up, I would have held it still, but I made back $300 and something. Yo, what up, Discipline? What up? What up? Good thing I got out, but I still think it goes lower, but we'll see. I don't like how much we're going over and below 25,000 because it's kind of negating the value of being at such a big whole number. You know what I'm saying? Like there's a value to being at 25,000 and I just feel like it's not giving us the value. Boom, 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 boom. Starting to get really freaking choppy. Starting to get really choppy here. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. Dude, this is making lower highs, by the way. It's definitely making lower highs. It's kind of getting the rounded. See this rounded top? There we go. Now I'm back up. Boom. Boom. Bro, that's DX feed. Yeah, they don't have DX feed anymore, Mick. We heading to 24K? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. You got to think we're down. We're down what? 2,000 points from the top. I mean, you got to think. No, we're down 1,500 points from the top, which is over 5%. I mean, you got to assume that the bottom to this is probably going to be somewhere in this zone is where I would say. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, if you blew your account on Tradeify, I don't know, what would DX feed help you out with? I'll be honest with you, DX feed is worse than. I would rather Tradeify. I've moved all my stuff to Tradeify. This looks like it's going to let it go here. Let's see if it does. Let's see if it just lets it go. Come on. Come to daddy. All right. I locked in some more. Now I'm up 397. Oh, you mean Trading View? Oh, I don't. Yeah, but how did it blow your account? Yo, what up, 420? I just had to hold it. What stock is this you're trading in NASDAQ? This is the NQ. It represents the NASDAQ 100. Big money, big money, big money. Stop. Whammy. Back to green, $8. So I've been copy trading the last couple of trades in here. I copy traded onto Apex. This is what my Apex looks like today. I might stop. I'm going to reduce the ones I'm trading because I'm having obviously a pretty good day. I don't want to mess it up. I just got to set my copier right now. 48. $50 and $55. And go to 48. Co-trader, I blew my mind from the view shot. If I don't cancel it, yeah, that's what they told me, John. They're going to rebill at $59. As long as the ones you bought are at $59, yeah, they're going to rebill at $59. Trading View feels delayed to me. When I trade off Trading View, it feels delayed. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Show daddy what you're working with. Boom. Boom. This is a funded account, by the way. Up 687. What? When am I going to do the giveaway? I'm going to do it today, Roop. Today. You might have to wait a little bit, though. But we do it today. Forget about the giveaway. Are you looking at these fucking trades? I got to look at the emails. I didn't look at any emails in a little bit. I got to look at them in an hour and 20 minutes. I'm going to look at all my emails. Sereneth. Ah, man, I don't know if I said that right, but what's up? Oh, but Code, I know you asked me about like the morning trade and like trading in the morning. It's just so hard to trade for real, plus manage the chat and everything else. That's why I don't do this a lot. But this is what my mornings look like. There's a lot of button clicking, and usually I come on now when things have settled down. It's just so, yeah. I mean, because that's where I make the majority of my money. Like, I come on the stream and like, you're like, oh, I'm up already. Yeah, I am. Because like you said, 100% focuses on making money. I make my trades. And you know what? Everything I talk about is the same shit I do. It's nothing I don't, like, I'm not hiding anything. Like, yo, this sweep under here and then back up was fucking money. Like, I take this every day. Every day I would take that. There's nothing, it's all talked about. It's just, you how you get what I'm talking about. Dude, are they going to let this just fucking go? Holy shit. Now I'm going to work on this account. I can get a payout today on this account, I think, or at least get fucking. I think I need to get to $52,600. Marie is calling 24804. This is going to be a pivotal spot right here. This is either the bounce back rejection Just another hundy. Just another hundy. So see, the reason I moved here is you could sweep these lows and then come back right through to the upside, and I would get stopped out. So I just take my gain. Watch. See how it's coming back through? I would be worried. And that I'm just putting the probabilities in my favor. Am I using Ninja Trader for copy trading? That's it. Yo, Botanical, who the fuck is that? I think there's a rule that you can't enter for the day if you do something like that. Somebody came up with that rule yesterday or the day before. No! Probably scalp it back to the upside here. Watch this. Let's see if it holds. I'm not risking much. I'm not even copy trading this. Purely momentum. All right, I gave back my fucking gains. Two or three micros. Man, this is showing no life, by the way. There's no buying. There's no fucking buying going on. By the way, this is super dangerous shorting over here. You should essentially wait for a bounce. I'm just scalping. That's all I'm doing is just kind of scalping. I think you're more likely to get a bounce soon. Market's crap today. Which is better, my funded futures or TPT? Have you ever gotten a payout, Money Viddy? If you've never gotten a payout, go my funded futures because it's easier to get a payout. If you are getting payouts, go take Profit Trader. I'm about to take my 15th or 16th payout from the same account because you could take daily payouts. Can't really beat daily payouts. Bro, this is just going to fucking get demolished. This is so risky. This is so risky, by the way. I'm probably going to take a loss, but you know what? If it just floods out, I could probably get 50 points and I'll risk 10. So I'm risking 10 for 50. It's fine. I'll take this to the upside. We get over 85. Oh, fuck me, man. That's fine. I was okay with that. I'm going to make it back. This will be my red account on the day. I always got one. It's crazy as I'm playing looser. So I'm following my trades in here and on my laptop, and I'm playing looser on my laptop. But this shit's just moving around. I think we're going further down, by the way. Unless we close. If we close above here, I need to close above. Close above 88 is the key level. I only grabbed one. I didn't go too deep. I didn't even copy trade this either. I just grabbed fucking one. You want this candle to be green and push through is what you want. You want this candle to be the candle that pushes you through. And then your stop is below this candle. That's what you want. You don't want this to come down. You want this to close like 88. Above 88 would be, yeah, this thing's just shit. I would play if this turned green and push through. Why not trail take profit? Where would I trail to take profit? Yeah, this thing's fucking garbage. See, you got stochastics coming up, and we're not going anywhere. And now we're back under the fucking... Now we're back under this 9. See how we're back under this 9? I don't know, man. This thing looks like it's going to dump. If I get stopped out here, I just stop playing this until we move. That's how I work. I don't just keep revenge trading it or anything like that. I get stopped out on like again over here. It's hands off. That's how I trade. We're not going to keep trading the same shit back and forth and getting yo-yoed. You know, it couldn't break over. Now I would like to see everybody that got in for the break kind of sell off and dump it. Aha, I just put a fucking order in. I mean, I made money. I made 100 and something, but that's not what I wanted. I also copy traded. It's kind of stuck here. Boo-boo short. But at least I made here, so it allowed me to keep trading in this zone. Because if I take a loss here, I'm probably done. You know? So... I think you could probably still get the short. How's that sound? I just wouldn't do anything here. It's just kind of at that spot. This thing's hanging on by a thread. I almost want to reduce my size. I almost want to reduce to 3 and just fucking hold it is what I might do. I just went small. Oh. See, now I can't take a loss. I can't take a loss right now. I might just take this out. Just lock in gains. Just lock in gains. Happy Friday! Jackson 5 to the NQ. This is an eval. See, this trade is no longer funded worthy for me, but I'm willing to take it in an eval. That's why I like always having an eval around. You know what I'm saying? 600. That's why I keep evals around, because the trade is still halfway decent. There's still better than 50% chance, but I'm not doing it in a funded account. Just remember, the meat on the bone is getting smaller and smaller as we get lower, that eventually we're going to have some type of bounce. It's probably going to be a ripper too. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Oh man. I don't know what happened there. I just got fucking logged out when I logged into dude, that was the weirdest thing. I just literally logged into I synced it with my Ninja Trader and it just logged me out. Oh, here we go. I just want to see some continuation here. That's all I'm looking for. Just give me some continuation. You got to think there's a lot of people short, right? At some point, you're going to get a short covering with some buying, and they're going to spike it pretty fucking high. I thought we would come back and touch 80, to be honest with you. That's all I was looking for. Just a momentum. I'm kind of done playing the down. And you can kind of see the selling pressure is starting to slow. You know, we've gone down pretty good. I'm looking for one of, you know, something like this where you bounce, you know, 60 points, 70 points, and then you can continue down. But I think the selling pressure is starting to slow. That's my opinion. It's just kind of slowing up. I mean, you've been going down since, you know, London, we were at, you know, you're about 500 and something points down already. Like, that's a long way down so far. I mean, it's been basically a straight drop for 1,000 points since yesterday morning. It's 1,000 fucking points. At some point, there's got to be, you know, I guess you kind of got a relief bounce here, and then we're down another five. It just kind of seems like it's due for something where we maybe come back up, touch this range, and then go back down. You know, new indicator I'm trying to work is great to avoid DCAing. Oh, geez. What indicator are you using? Captain, what indicator are you using? Oh, geez. No. No. Man, this thing's just looking nasty. Nasty. Yeah, I mean, you got that pivot point, like you said, at 799. Probably be a solid spot to maybe take a solid spot to take one off of. Tell you what, not only is that a solid spot, but we've been selling for a while. That you got to think that they're going to bounce it at some point, and that'd be a pretty solid spot. You got a whole number right around the pivot. Come on. Dude, I wish my wife was a personal chef, dude. I'm going to be looking for it. I'm going to be looking for a bounce somewhere around here. Maybe like one big flush down, like another nice size candle down 20 points and then back up. Come on. You're getting too close not to hit 800. They're just going to let it rip down. Come on. Come on. You can do it. What up, Trash? Selling? Yeah, it's definitely selling off. I'm just waiting. Oh, is this going to be it? Is this going to be the bounce? I hope not. I hope not. It looks so good if it just plummeted down to like 794, 790, and then back up. I'm not longing yet. I just realized I have an eval with Tradeify that you could pass in one day. I'm going to play this here. I got to figure out which account it is. All right, I got it. All right. I think this is the spot, but I need to see it. I need to see it come up. See, it's doing exactly what I wanted. It's doing what I wanted. I need to see it come back up, though. Come on. Come on, you could do it. Come on. I mean, you just got to wait. But yeah, at some point, you're going to get a good rally. Dude, this is 806 is where I want to get in at, probably. $806. I'm about to hit the button. I think I just blew this fucking account. I did. I went in two minis. Wait, what? Oh my God. That was stupid. I didn't blow the account. It's an eval, but there's $300 of drawdown left, so I'm probably going to fucking blow it. Dude, my stomach is rumbling. I'm freaking hungry, man. Got to get home. Are you too good for your home? Answer me, ball. This would be a good spot, though. This would be a really good spot. Just needs to do it. Yo, today we got Ball Sack Fridays. Yo, just tell your boss, man. Be like, yo, I need 300 in my TPT account. What type of job you got, La Rosa? Just fucking tell him, man. Be like, yo, I need a couple bucks in my TPT account. Shut the fuck up. I'll be back in an hour. That's it. Dude, you don't want to trade on your phone. Yeah, I just realized my copy trader is not up on Replicanto. Now my copy trader's up. Dude, I'm going to grab. I'm going to add to this position. This is a feeler position. This is a feeler position. $806. I need to close over $806. Give me a close over $806. Close. I need a close over 806. An actual fucking close. I mean, really, my TP should be like 48 is what my TP should really be. But I'm going to see if I get fucking lucky. My P.O. box? Bro, I'm good. I don't have a P.O. box, but I'm good. I want you to keep your money and use it towards evals and get fucking paid, bro. Come on. Push this the fuck up. All right. I just got stopped. I got stopped in all my accounts, by the way. I just got stopped in all my accounts. I made in this eval, I made $566. Just so you know, I'm not lying. I show you the fucking accounts. I'm gonna try passing that today, by the way. Dude, starving. My stomach is fucking rumbling. We might not be done here, by the way. Like Kobe said, the job's not done. The job's not done. So just so you are aware, this is what my Apex account looks like. I've taken the same trades. I'm just copy trading them. So it's not like I'm doing anything different. That looks pretty fucking solid though, right? Those are all funded accounts, by the way. Boy! Hey man, come for the good trades. Stacking gains. Stacking fucking gains. How much for 50K with Apex? I would wait until they're running a deal. So they're running a deal on the PA fee, but the accounts are $50. If you wait, I think they're going to go as low as what, $17, $18? I would wait. There's other stuff that has better deals, like my funded futures and whatnot. Musk will be the first trillionaire. I saw that shit. Hey man, the guy's in fucking everything. Government relies on him for satellites and shit. Tesla, I mean, he's done quite a bit. We should rob him. I don't think he lives anywhere. I think he like hangs out at his friends' houses or some shit like that. Oh man. Everybody having a good morning? Yeah. By the way, if you didn't join, I'm going to do the X giveaways today. Here's the link. I just put it in the chat. What up, mobile? $500. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what you mean there. Do you mean that you're ready for Ball Sack Fridays? So, Mr. T, this is how it works. You need 5 days of $100 or more. But when you take that $100, when you take that payout, you cannot go below 50,100 anymore. So you can either leave yourself a buffer or you can blow the account. You know, that's how they get you. They get you because, oh, 25 500's on the table, bro. All right, cool. I agree with you. XOM good dividend? I have no idea, Chris. I don't play Exxon Mobil. Welcome to the stream, by the way, Mobile. Welcome, welcome. They have like a micro scalping thing. Like 50% of your trades can't be less than like 3 seconds or 5 seconds. I don't know. No one ever hits it. It's not like a hard rule, I don't think. But that's it. You could trade, I believe you could trade news. You could do anything you want. The Twitter give. I put the link in here, Gold. I dropped the link. Captain, you're still in long from 814. What? I'm just what makes you like the play still? Yeah, I don't like, I mean, me personally, I'm out, but I was just kind of wondering what you liked about it. It could still come up, obviously. If I knew where it was going to go, I would go all in. Tell everybody to go all in. Yo, Captain, I was just kind of curious what you like about it. Like, do you like that it's holding 800? Do you like, what you like about it? I mean, it's making a higher low. Making a higher low in that aspect. I might follow you with a small 3 micro. Now remember, this is like a sixth of a position. This is super small. I'm basically just grabbing a feeler position. If we hold this lower high, because if we do hold this lower high, you could probably make yourself back 75 points to the upside, or I lose 20 to the downside. So risk reward is there for me. Doesn't look good. I'm going to get stopped here. Yeah. It's okay. I risked very little. Dude, at some point, I know it's going to sound crazy, but if we flush one more time, I think that will be the bottom of the day. One more flush. Yo. I want to see a second candle here. I want to see this candle maybe come down to like 806, and then we go up right here. I want to see it come down here, and now I want to see the next candle or this candle go up, because now I have a stop point at 800, and I'd be willing to get in and add above this is what I would do. Not what I would do, what I'm going to do. My stop point is going to be at the bottom of this candle. I want to see this candle now push over this. Yeah, I locked in 3 payouts already today. This is like my red account that I can't fucking... I locked in a TPT payout, an Elite Trader funding payout, and a My Funded Futures payout. Come on. Yo, did they just bottom tick me? Gold's going crazy. I'm just waiting. I got my brothers talking about fucking Bitcoin like every 2 seconds right now. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. That's what my fucking thing is looking at. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Coins, coins. That's all my freaking phone's blowing up. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Took the L. At least you know how to take the L. You know what I mean? Better than just holding losers and adding to them, right? You don't want to do that. Dude, this thing's going fucking down. Yeah, I mean, that's where people go wrong is they just DCA over and over and over and over again. It's like, bro, stop DCAing. DCAing isn't a strategy. You know what? If it is, it is. You know what I'm saying? What are you going to do? You just sit there and make another trade. Like, who cares? I get bottom ticked and top ticked all the time. You just got to say, hey, you know what? It got me, and I'm just going to wait till the next one. That's all. Hey, got me. It's not the first, not the last time. Oh, wow, my dumpster rental's on the way. Bro, I can view where he's at. Bro, is that him down the block? Bro. I think my dumpster guy is by my house. Holy shit, he's here. All right, guys. I got to jump off the stream. I'm going to be back at 2 p.m. If you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader. Here's the link to a bunch of prop firm deals if you want. I am going to jump off the stream because the dumpster guy's in my motherfucking driveway. All right? Peace! I'll see you 2 p.m. I'll be in the Discord, though. Awesome fucking day. We smashed. Later.